Hello friends, I am Mitul Sudhar
And I'm Krishna Kanaya.
and today we are going to learn about Helm Search Command.
Mm-hmm.
In the last video we looked into Helm Hub. Helm Hub is a centralized location where you can search for different Helm charts against different repositories. So I can search for WordPress and I can find different WordPress charts from different repositories. So
Mm-hmm.
these are all the repositories listed on the left hand side.
Mm-hmm.
So there could be many repositories, and that's why Helm Hub was created to act. It acts as a centralized location for you to search, just like how Google search does a search against all the web.
Mm-hmm.
Helm Hub allows you to search against all the repositories of Helm charts.
Okay.
So the first command we are going to look into is Helm Search. So in order to verify Helm is installed or not, we'll just execute the Helm command.
Mm-hmm.
So Helm is installed. We'll verify the version of the Helm. So we have Helm 3. So Helm search, if I execute, it will provide me the help information. It
Right.
says Helm search, and I can search against a hub or a
Mm-hmm.
repository.
Okay.
So let's do Helm hub, Helm search hub WordPress,
Mm-hmm.
and it is going to list different charts
Mm-hmm.
for WordPress in different repositories.
Okay.
And let's do a Helm search against a repo. Sorry, Helm search repo WordPress. And as you see, by default, we get we give we get this error: no
Right.
repositories configured.
Mm-hmm.
What does this mean is that when we first configure Helm, when we installed Helm, there are no repositories that are added to our local cache. So the Helm on my machine doesn't know about any repositories out there.
Okay.
Helm Hub, which is a centralized service, it knows about different repositories, but
Mm-hmm.
my Helm local client does not
Mm-hmm.
know about any repositories.
Right.
A quick way to find out all the repositories on your machine is to run the command helm repo list.
Mm-hmm.
So first, we need to add a repository that we would like to work against. If I'm interested in this WordPress repository,
Mm-hmm.
then I would have to add that repository. So a way to add a repository would be by executing the command helm repo add bitnami and then the URL for the repository.
Mm-hmm.
After I add that repository, I can then execute the command helm repo list to see that repository. So now
Okay.
bitnami has been added to our repository.
Okay.
So if I now do helm search repo WordPress,
Mm-hmm.
it is going to search against my local repository.
Okay.
So since I only have WordPress Bitnami repository, it is
Mm-hmm.
searching against just one repository.
Mm-hmm.
If I add more repositories, it will search against those repositories as well.
Okay.
So for testing, let's add this repository as well. So I took the URL for that repository.
Mm-hmm.
I come here. And now if I do search WordPress, it will show us search results from these two repositories, the Bitnami repository as well as the Press Labs repository.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Helm search WordPress. This will search against all the repositories.
Okay.
Yep.
So one,
So
two,
once you have
three.
added a repository to your local cache,
Mm-hmm.
then you can install a WordPress chart into your Kubernetes cluster.
Okay.
And that is something we will look into the next video.
Okay. Sorry.